Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve local search with Yellow Pages, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what Yellow Pages is and how it operates. Visit the Yellow Pages website to familiarize yourself with its structure and offerings. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once signed in, locate the option to claim your business listing. Fill in your business details, including name, address, and phone number. Make sure your information is accurate and consistent with your other online listings. Complete your business profile by adding a detailed description of your services. Include relevant keywords in your description to enhance searchability. Upload high-quality images of your business, products, or services. Encourage customers to leave reviews on your Yellow Pages listing. Respond to any reviews promptly to show engagement and customer appreciation. Utilize Yellow Pages advertising options to boost your visibility. Consider setting a budget for paid ads to reach a larger audience. Monitor your listings' analytics to gauge performance and engagement. Adjust your strategy based on the data to improve your local search ranking. Regularly update your listing with new information or seasonal promotions. Stay proactive in maintaining your online presence to attract more local customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.